Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So Friday the 10th of November is rushing towards us, and that's a very important day in the Indian community as part of their celebration for Diwali. And it's an amazing experience to be a part of, and every year, I have to admit, it's one of my favourite days. We get a lot of the Indian community comes in and purchases gold. It's a very important part of that day, but also the colour and the people and the joyousness of it, and the food. You got to try the food if you're anywhere around the Indian community as they're celebrating it. I've got to recommend it. But if buying gold is part of your celebration for Diwali, Bullion Now is absolutely open. Level 6, 227 Collins Street in Melbourne. If you need to contact us by phone for any reason, 1300 84 84 10, and of course we have our email, sales@bullionnow.com.au. We'll be open from 9 to 5, and absolutely we will be there celebrating it with you. That's it for now. We'll talk again very, very soon. See ya.